Hey guys, welcome back to Bros with me, Blue. Surprise! Yes, we're reacting to the Royale High video we recorded before because I never actually watched it edited because I was having a busy week, so I made Fries do it.
I didn't watch it over, so let's see what happens.
Oh yeah.
I edited it and then I didn't watch it. Okay guys, for the first time, showing our reactions to our own video. Okay, for one, we have this thing. I like this
Wait,
thing.
do it on 2 times speed because it's 17 minutes and that makes it funnier.
Okay. Speed. I'm just gonna put it to 1.5.
No, because I don't want to watch a 10-minute video of us. 1.75. 1.75.
Fine.
Because then it'll be exactly 10 minutes.
I have no idea. Okay.
There. Okay.
Hi, welcome back to Bros.
Also,
Blue and Fries. And today, we are playing Roblox. This is actually our second try of doing a video like this. The first time, we were boring and had too much
Shut up, me.
So, yeah.
Shut up,
So
me.
guys, hopefully you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just get into it.
Let's go. And you'll see Fries is recording because my computer will lag too much if I attempt to do it. And wow, magic, we're in the game. Definitely had no time passed between those two
It's loud.
video clip
Turn the
things.
volume
Yes,
down.
Yes,
I can English.
No, you can't. Okay.
Too loud. I don't need my voice that loud.
Okay, guys,
That is
so we're going to be playing this, and we're going to be seeing who can win with
And
outfits.
lose.
Yeah, there's an intermission right now. A lot of this will be cut out because it's boring.
Boring after we pick out outfits. If we have something fun happen, we'll show it. If we don't, we won't show it. If you want to see like the complete boring
I don't
version
know
at some
what we
point, put that in the
showed.
comments below.
And we
I
won't
don't see
know.
why you'd want it, but if you do want it,
Stop
we will
talking.
give it to you. Yes.
Yeah.
Just shut up, please. Thank you.
Okay, for one, what is just this? We're nowhere in the middle. It's just very weird.
What did you do? Oh yeah, because you were like, I'm gonna do the editing.
I did do the editing. Do you see a green thing there? No, you see this.
Oh, but we're also not centered.
Yeah, we weren't recording centered. And guys, we see
You
all the
weren't
comments that you put, so just comment down below if you want us to try any other games on Roblox, try any other phone games, or any game.
Anything you want us to do,
We'll do
put it in the
that
comments
for
and we'll
this
do it if we think we'll have fun doing it.
Anything PG, yes.
Yes, because we
Yes.
are children.
Children. Oh,
Children
nature versus
This is
ice.
Ice Fairy.
Oh,
So
no.
either be nature or Ice Fairy.
And we're back, and these are our outfits.
Yep, we both went the ice route.
Yep, mine was
Nature was
resaved for some reason.
Mine was
Slightly.
pre-saved, but then I altered it a bit.
Slightly.
Because it was pre-saved from before I had any skirts.
Alright, so guys, now, unless anything interesting happens, the next cut, you will see us at the competition.
Pageant. It's a
Pageant.
pageant. Yep. We're on a swing. It's very interesting. This is very important to have in the video. This is the most important and consequential thing that has ever happened in the history of
Pointing
this game.
out.
Beep, 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 beep.
A few moments later,
Beep, 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 beep.
one eternity later.
The
And
best.
welcome back, guys.
Okay, wait, I gotta replay that. Oh my god.
You know how some YouTubers, like, in their videos, put in random clips of them doing other, like, stuff from past videos? You need to save that clip on your computer.
Oh my god. Okay. Wait, okay. I'm gonna put it to regular speed, and we're gonna wait.
Yeah.
Let's play from here.
This is the most important and consequential thing that has ever
Absolutely.
happened
Yes,
in the
that's what
history
I'm
of this game. Beep, 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 beep.
A few
Wait, I just looked, I was like, I wasn't even surprised, I was like,
Wait, didn't you have, like...
there is a background to this that makes more sense.
Beep, beep, beep.
Wait, just look at my face, I'm just like, I just look up, it's like, okay. I was playing on my phone, that was beep, beep.
So done with me, and I'm just like, beep, beep,
Okay.
Beep,
a few moments later,
beep, 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 beep.
one eternity later.
The
And
best.
welcome back, guys.
We're back.
You may or may not have seen a random clip of us swinging. We don't know.
Yeah, not that.
But now it's time for the pageant to actually start, for the interesting stuff to happen, or it might be boring as well. We don't know.
We don't know.
We cannot see the
I
future.
have to actually do something. Like,
Wait, did no one do nature?
Hey, go back to 1.7.
No, there's one person.
Okay, we're going back to the. Oh,
But we needed to see the beeping. That was very important.
oh yeah, one
Important clip
eternity
ever.
later. I just say beep beep beep.
Person, that one person did nature. And then there's the person with the big old black goth dress. Answer as best we can.
alright, we'll answer this question. We'll answer.
Sorry.
The time has come to make your way to the microphone. Your question is, what is your favorite way to exercise? You have 30 seconds.
To make this interesting, we'll also answer right now. Favorite way to exercise for me? Indoor skydiving. And archery. What about you?
Soccer. Oh, bubbles.
I should have seen that coming.
No
Yeah.
way. You
should've.
like
I
soccer?
Yeah, soccer is definitely my favorite thing too. What's... well, this
Now you guys know, this game helps you learn about us. I don't think anyone actually wants to learn more about us, but if you do, you can also comment that down below.
Oh, wait, is that me? Yeah. Put your
No
dragon
one
in there.
comments
Mr.
anything.
Dragonis.
Wait, no one comments anything that we tell them to comment. They just comment random stuff.
Random stuff. Only one person comments the random stuff, and thank you. It's amazing.
Yeah, and something. No one actually.
Anyone who
says-
is not that one person who comments the very lovely random stuff, please comment something like relevant, please.
Or not, bro. Just comment. We like seeing them. It's interesting.
Yes.
If you could time travel, would you go to the past or the future?
The future, you want to make sure you don't stop yourself from existing.
Okay.
Your random coughs and it's just like.
Hold on, I actually need to
Way too many
go.
options for like loopholes and messing up the timeline horrendously. Like you may go in the past and have no way to go into the future because you wouldn't have the ability to time travel at that point in time. Go to the future, way safer, way safer,
Mm.
way safer.
I'm experiencing.
Wait, what if you go to the future and see an apocalyptic doom?
Umbrella Academy.
Your answer was very, very thought-provoking. What helps you relieve stress? Watching shows, reading books, watching YouTube, playing games, and I don't know why I'm counting. I don't have a list in my head. 3D printing, because I like doing that. I already said reading and painting, even though I'm not good at it. What about you?
Music, talking to friends, video games. Easy
Yeah,
and simple.
music, listening to music. Also watching Starkid. I love Starkid too much.
You already said YouTube, that counts.
There's no, because that's musicals. Musicals are different. A round of applause. Who kindly shared their answers with us. Now it is time to walk the up, and it left before I could even finish announcing.
Dun, dun.
Look, look, it's Miss making their way on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh,
Huh? Oh, wow. Our face is such a.
is that Miss Poseides coming on stage? What a unique outfit design. Miss ## has arrived. I bet that look took
Wait,
them all
the
night to
thumbnail for
create.
this video
It was
needs to be me going beep, beep, beep in the original video. Okay, with the blurry face, no. You gotta find that for this thumbnail. And it needs to be
It was Bryce.
And I will write beep, beep.
It's
Miss
Miss
Miss.
Smiley Face's turn to spread the runway. Let's watch. Ooh, someone has a bi flag. That's cool. Me getting distracted by the audience. Miss Happy has set the stage on fire with this fierce look. No, not actually on fire, judges. Calm down. Miss Shine has arrived. I bet that look took them all night.
Wait, who are the judges? There's no judges.
Technically, we're judging ourselves. So don't worry, judges. It's
Wait,
not
look at your
real,
face
but-
right there. Look, my face is just so bored. Oh my god.
Single one of your faces. All of mine. Psychotic faces. You.
Okay.
Back to create. Wow, what amazing options for the
Oh, there's different things for the announcement.
Mr. Staroon has arrived, looking magnificent on stage with their outfit design. How dare Miss Korea come on stage and steal my spotlight from looking so stunning? Miss Divine Moon has set the stage on fire with this fierce look. What, seriously, again, that same line.
There's different lines. I'm just looking at mine. It's different.
Mhm.
Am I the last one? Yeah, I'm the last one.
Oh, well, please, is that Mr. Dragonius? I'm gonna say Dragonius.
Dragon.
Obviously, I'm gonna vote for you.
Oh,
Yes, Mr. Dragonius.
Oh, you did vote for me.
Amber is
Now
also
I
in the
get
game.
no.
Oh, as Amber, I believe, right? Amber? Wait, I can't ask you questions. You don't want your voice on here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, answering in game. That's smart. And then pick one other person. Alex looking for Aunt Halo. I don't know, just because Alex is the name. But the name is Alex is awesome. Alex is the best.
Okay, now skipping to the results.
Pause real
Wow.
quick.
Like, we don't even have to skip
I
because the
literally
game
coughed
already did
and
that.
said Salix is the best.
Good job.
only me and Amber and a very select
Whoa,
few.
I see my
will know
wings. I think
that.
Drum roll, please. In third place, we have AJ. Wow. In second place, we have me.
Wow.
Wow, thank you very much.
$1,000.
I don't want to wear that because it looks bad, but thank you very much.
Blue.
And in
Don't wanna
first
wear that
place,
'cause
we
I'll
have...
Wait, that one person just named Blue.
Yeah. And in first place, we have... No
It
one?
already said someone, they just didn't come out for some reason.
Oh, it didn't show it at the top for my screen.
Oh, that's right. Here we go. Okay.
Oh, green person.
No.
Hey, I won. Lovely.
All right.
Now we're probably going to skip intermission unless something interesting happens, so...
Bum. Yeah.
You're saying you're not going
Okay, we're
to
skipping
show
through. Bye.
Yeah. Wait, you're actually going to keep that in?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
You're doing random.
I'm keeping this in too.
Okay, more randomness from me.
Okay, now we're going. Oh, I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I forgot this happened. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Water,
You
water,
can get
water.
that on fire.
Okay.
Galaxy/space fashion. I literally have a preset outfit for the...
I don't. All right. Well, guys, we'll be back with a transition to those outfits. Not just me running around the map.
Us on a swing, because I randomly decided we're going to do this for each one.
So, guys, these are our outfits, and yeah, that's it. Cut to something else interesting.
Interesting stuff happening now.
Boom.
Turn.
Another spot.
We're on top of the world.
Okay.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Royal Universe pageant.
Amazing cutting.
This evening's theme is Galaxy/space fashion. Look at the beautiful and brilliant hopefuls on stage. We have come from far and near, grace us with their presence. I'm Adam, your host for the night. Let's
announcing
begin.
voice.
We will select a special candidate to step up to the microphone, answer a question.
And
Answer
we will
the
be
best you
answering
can
these
and show off your
questions.
pageant outfit design.
We'll be answering these questions too, just to make something of this video.
If you could dye your hair any color in real life, what would
Okay,
it
I
be?
need to say, I really did not like filming this video. It was...
You were so annoyed and you hated it.
I was annoyed this entire video. Plus, the
Why?
editing took so long. It was so annoying.
But why were you so annoyed at it?
I don't know. I just didn't like it. I just don't.
And why? Well, I actually currently have pink
lag.
hair dye that I'm gonna do, but me and Fries are actually
Oh,
gonna dye hair at the same
yeah.
time.
Look at that lag face. Oh my god, that face that it lagged and stopped on. Hello? Are you still here, or are you lagged as well as...
I'm here.
You're like looking at your face. I'm here.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Since I coughed that one time, now I need to cough, and I'm annoyed.
I can't, but that face that it's on, though. Okay.
And I also really want to get it dyed blue, like where it's a blue-white color.
I just red. I did blue and red before. It was just a diff. I did blue and red before. I think red looked better for me, so probably red.
Moving on.
We still are planning on doing that.
Wait,
I'm gonna ask my
I've tried
brother
everything
to
else.
do my hair over spring break.
Mr.
I'm asking my brother to do my hair over spring break, most likely.
Okay.
Please make your way to the microphone and share your answer to this question. Where do you go when you need some inspiration or clarity in your life?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Normally, if I need clarity, I just ignore it and read or watch something. And inspiration, Pinterest and
ignore
Instagram,
it.
which I actually don't use Instagram much. And on Pinterest, I mainly just look at fan art. My brain, I go into my brain for these things. I almost never find them,
These
but I look in my brain. That's where I look.
My brain.
Yeah, sure.
His
Brain.
answer was very thoughtful and provoking, and I don't want to read that.
Stop
When
reading.
was the last time you cried? Oh,
Oh,
Jeez.
I'm surprised you never is.
no.
Hey, when was the last time
You
you
cried publicly or
cried?
just-
Answer.
No. No.
What? I don't get to know when you were sad?
No.
Fine, then you don't get to know when I was sad.
You already answered this in the question.
Yeah, well, that's not the same time.
Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna say it now. If someone comments down below that actually want to know, we'll mention it in another video.
Cried at all.
Comment!
I think just cry.
I need to
Publicly,
know.
we don't.
You cried.
We don't
So when was the last time you cried?
Pause. I said your name. I said your name.
Wait, what?
Not in that video, in this one. We are currently filming. I accidentally said your name.
Oh, come on, man!
Well, you get it out. I'm gonna put a comment in the editing chat because you will forget.
I will probably forget. I don't like looking through the videos. I put it together, cut it a little bit, and don't look through it.
Which makes me
Dot, dot,
have
dot.
a lot more work.
A lot more work?
Yeah, because then I need to look through every single video.
Wow, you need to watch your own video. How sad.
And then I need to watch it every time you re-edit it.
You know, you can just get.
And
to the
I'm
point.
freaking annoying. I hate.
See, I am freaking annoying. I can't with this. Okay, let's just go.
Come on, answer the question.
You answer it.
Okay, the last time I cried was when I learned that one of my closest friends was moving away and had already gotten a house.
How can they get a house? But I've been looking since like 7th grade and I can't get a house.
Do I know that person?
What?
Do I know that person?
Yeah, they're moving.
Oh,
Yay.
I'm moving too, but just to a different house, not to a different area.
They're no longer going to be at the same school as us. They're like in a different city.
Well, right now you don't get to see much people anyways, so.
You do.
True.
Okay.
It's Miss Blue coming on stage. Chill out, that's all.
Is that you?
Wow, Miss Blue.
Okay, there you
The
go.
Roblox dancing.
It is. A fashion icon has graced us with their presence today. Look who's on stage glowing with confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Miss ####. It's not really Mr. ####. A fashion icon has graced those with their presence tonight. Presence. Those are that. Here
Present.
comes Miss Saving Up. Have you ever seen someone stylish before? Wow, Miss Happy has stepped onto stage wearing an exquisite look. You're wearing the exact same thing. What the heck? Miss Theory, did you just try and snatch my wig with that fierce look? Lucky for me, it's super glued. Miss Amber as Amber has arrived on stage with an outfit so wondrous, even Ashley might crack a smile. Here's the contestant representing Korea. Give them some love.
Hi, everyone.
Who is that looking like a pageant dream? It's Miss Divine Moon, ladies and gentlemen. How dare Miss come on stage and steal my spotlight, looking so stunning. Alright, my announcing this so great. Wait, I didn't even see you. I was completely oblivious. Oh, you're Mr. ######.
Oh.
I just called
######.
I'm about for Amber Fury because why not?
Okay. That's Pearl's outfit, which is blue. And that's mine. You already saw these, but there's Amber's outfit, which is better than all of them.
And yes, we are going to vote for each other. Because as long as we try, it's fine. Just if you try not at all for it, then
Me
it's
trying
not,
to
so.
justify us technically teaming.
And now, let's see who won. In third place comes Ms. Amber! Yay, Amber!
Yay!
Amber! Random hashtag is. And second place comes me! Nice!
Okay, there's so many people in this. Oh my god.
It's not even popping up.
There's people in the front.
We're
Just
staring at someone's back.
Who has the crown for first? Yuri. You sitting there not winning. This is so different from normal. Normally, anytime we play, Fries wins, and I am sitting there contemplating life. Okay, so guys, yeah,
Sitting there contemplating life.
Oh, okay. Hey, it's a heart.
Aww. Wait, screenshot that. I need it for a thumbnail. But
Okay.
just like screenshot around it because I need more of the fire background as well.
I screenshotted it. Okay.
Fries ran out of storage space. So, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
What the hell was that outro?
Okay, we were talking too much, so I just cut it all to just us saying bye. Oh yes, edited by Fries. I do love this though. This is so cool.
Wait, what? You love what?
This art
Oh.
looks so cool. Also this. Oh yes, this thing, and then this, and then art.
Yes.
Amazing.
I'm planning on actually like writing stuff like and arrows like subscribe and all that stuff for
Yeah, guys, subscribe, because aren't we amazing?
yeah, subscribe here, and I am not going to link that many things. So subscribe below because I'm not going to link here, and here because I don't even remember how. So
Aren't we
yeah.
amazing?
Me not knowing how to link here, and here to be subscribed.
Okay.
Okay,
guys, if you like that video, please subscribe. Comment down below. If you like watching us react to ourselves, you know, tell us. And actually comment stuff. Serious. You guys never come.
Please.
Okay, guys, comment down below if you want us to do stuff. Actually comment and like, subscribe, and have all that YouTube stuff. We will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.